Let's check for some eggs. Hello, beautiful girl. Hello. So we got one in there. Yes. And then, hello, sweetheart. Hello. Hello. Can I have a quick look under you? Oh, no eggs. Good girl. I'll close it back up for you. Hello, beautiful girl. Huh? On this side. Oh my god, there's two in there. Look how white that is. Got a poop spot on it though. Look at it. It's very white. That one's gorgeous colour. So pretty. 3 eggs today. Don't forget to subscribe to our Homestead Australia so you don't miss anything. Bye!